That one. This one may need to be this one.
Alright. Alright, you guys, I'm a fucking idiot.
We know that.
The issue was that the air box wasn't on the carbs. That's why it didn't run right. So, once I proved that it ran right, I decided we were going to richen it up just a little more because it's pretty lean right now. Dustin, will you hold this?
The first comments I'm putting on your goddamn video.
Yeah, you dumb motherfucker.
Yep.
Yeah. So we'll get her done. And quarter turn. Well, that would make 2, right? Because I was at 1 3/4. We want to do 2 1/2.
I don't know what you said. Whatever you fucking said.
Quarter turn. Quarter turn. And quarter turn. Alright. Oh, you want to go get a 10 mil? I fucked up. I know. What is up, you guys? As you can see, this bitch is running. I got Dustin following behind me. All the gears seem to work. Suspension seems good. Sounds a lot better at higher RPMs. I think that was first. Brakes got a little bit of far travel to them, but they do work. Dustin's still back there. Ooh, that was first. Yeah, the fuel gauge doesn't work. Something wrong with the wiring and couldn't find the connector, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. Oh yeah, this is nice. Speedo works. Odometer appears to work. We were at 1845.
not bad. Definitely not my riding style. Can't tell if my turn signal's on or not. It is. Hard to see in the sunlight. Turn signals seem to work. That works. Okay, that works. Well, guys, that's gonna be all for this build series. Damn, am I that in? That's first. Oh, I can't find neutral. There it is. So, y'all enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Turn on notifications. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.